Time to say it. We're recording! Okay. Hello, birds. I'm gonna go first person. Hello, birds. I'm bringing bacon. Hello, fellow birds. Yeah. Must be typing. Gonna play a sweet song. Oh, today we'll be killing a bat. Okay. Tell me. Let me get a sword. Got him. Stick out that sword. Okay. There we go. There we go. That's today's news, so now we need cat blood. This is cat blood. Cat blood, yay. Bacon makes the drinks. Yes, I do. You chef. I am. I want cat blood with heads and fox. Okay, the judge joined. Okay. Gives. I gave some that. Oh, floating coffee. Oh no. To rule the world and get giant in 30 years. Rule the world, yeah. No. But there it is. It's back. Our judge is here. Completely be stand. Yeah. Judge. Want to say something? Sure. Okay. He's saying something. Shh. Attention, everyone. When your mic get one on screen. Okay. Okay, let's see what he has to say. This will take a little while. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Pause for right now and come back when. Birds must have a lot of members to respect. Yes. Yes! Can I talk? Okay. It's gonna talk. Sure. Can't sit in the chair, goddammit. Okay. Hello, fellow birds. Today, we got a judge. Yay. Yes, we got a new judge because the old one just would never participate in like a lot of things. You know, he's behind me. Yeah, there we go. There he is, right there. Right there, there he is. There he is. Yeah, look at him right there, yeah. Hello, Spectatolia. Tola. We are... Okay. I'm gonna go over here to talk about my food and drinks. I make the food and drinks at the news station. So, here's water, coffee, water, coffee, water, coffee. That's, I also make cat, fox, and bat blood, along with other enemies' bloods. Oh, there I'm gonna say something. I make amazing drinks. But especially tea is food. Yeah. Tell us your new food. I have announced a new food. Battle Bell. Kettlebell and Battle Bell. And it's raining tacos. Okay, that's my announcement. And, yeah, let's not get a copyright strike there. Don't play it. Well, actually, it might not be copyright strike. Birds are cool. Yes, they are. They are really cool. They are. Okay. He left. He's gone. Okay. The new group coming at something. Okay, here we go. My new chord group, yes. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. Please like and favorite this game if you haven't. Yes, this game I will show to you. It is... Let it load, let it load! Ah! Loading, hey! Bird News Channel. It is enjoying Bird News. It is super cool. The group is super cool. Everything is super cool. Okay. Back to the news. Okay. Door's kind of broken though. Can you done recording? No. No, I'm not done recording. Okay. Look at this cute little bird. But he stole a bird. Oh no. I got a Pepsi. And the bird news weather. Let me ask, what is the weather like? What is the weather like today? What is the weather today? I don't know. It is raining a lot. Yes, it is raining a lot where I live. It's raining a lot. A lot where I live. Maybe you can hear it, maybe you won't. I'm gonna... Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. Hear that? That's the sound of rain. Okay. That's it. Goodbye. Bye.